babies.
So today we're gonna work on the Recolor artwork tool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with a couple of squares. Square here, put a square there, put another square there, put another square there. I'm gonna change the colors so you can see what I'm talking about. Make that one pink. I'm gonna make this one green. I'm gonna make this one red. All right, so then you go select all the colors in your artboard. Go up here to the Recolor artwork tool, and from here you can change any color that's on that has been selected. So say I want to make the pink one black. Change the color. I can make the blue one green, and you can change the shade of the color, which makes it great. Especially when you're not trying to redo everything, or if you got a bunch of the same color in your artwork, you can just select that one color and change it to any color that you want to change it into. And that is the basis of the Recolor artwork tool. Hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Peace.